Kyrie. I'm Eric. Today's letter is Kappa. Before we look at that letter and the example word, let's recap what we've learned so far. So we've learned alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Okay, remember those four. So the first four we learned. And then remember epsilon, zeta, eta, theta. Epsilon was afraid of zeta because zeta, eta, theta. And we also learned iota. And so now we're on to kappa. All right, so kappa makes a k sound. It looks just like the English letter K. All right. And so let's look at our example and put it in context. Kurios, which means Lord. And here's our first example in context. Hetoimasete ten hodon kuriou. Okay, so there, with the first letter, you've got a capital epsilon. And you have the rough breathing. So remember that looks like the opening of the scare quote. It's facing that way. If it's facing the other way, like an apostrophe, then that's the smooth breathing. But here we've got the rough breathing. So it's aspirated. It's like putting an H at the beginning of the word. Hetoimasete. Make ready. Tein hodon. The way. Kuriou. Of Lord. Okay, so there's no definite article there. But in English, that's often going to be translated, make ready the way of the Lord. Okay, so that's from Matthew 3:3. Here's our next example. De te un. Tu kuriou. Tu theresmu. Okay, so deethete, pray or entreat, un, therefore, or then, tu kuriou, the Lord, tu theresmu, of the harvest. Okay, so un, this is another one like gar or de. Now we have un. So it's one of these particles. And so what does it mean here? Then, you could translate it as then or therefore. De, te, entreat, un, then or therefore. Tu kuriou, tu theresmu, the Lord of the harvest. So that's from Matthew 9:38. And let's cap off our lesson on Kappa with this one. Akarisen un hoimathetai idontes ton kurion. I guess so. Akarisen. They rejoiced. Un. Therefore. Or then. Hoimathetai. The students. Idontes. Seeing. Ton kurion. The Lord. So that's John 20:20. Ekarisen un hoimathetai idontes ton kuriou. Ekarisen un hoimathetai idontes ton kurion. Okay, so they rejoiced then, the students, seeing the Lord. And that is the letter Kappa. That's no cap.